funky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi everybody, you're welcome. Today we're making a watermelon braid. I'm using a lush color 30 than superstar color purple. So we're making a watermelon braid today. I already cut some of the attachments. I'm making two people's hair. So this is I'm just gonna fish all the whole attachments, make them ready, and then separate it before using it. This is the last one. This is the lush. This is how it comes, color 30 brown, and this is it. So all I'm gonna do is just cut and then fish. That is how it is. So guys, starting the braiding. That is the size of the hair she says she wants. She don't want it to be small, that she can't sit down. She don't have time to sit down and start making hair, but she just wanna hold her head though. So this is just how I started it. I cut the hair. It's not a block shape, it's not a triangle shape, it's just kind of C-cut, a little bit of C-cut, and then I put in my braid and I started braiding it like so. So guys, while I braid, I stop at the particular place where her hair is left, like the place where her hair stopped. That is where I stopped the braid, and then I tied the knot. I tied the mouth of it so the braid won't lose. So this is just how I did it. I just keep on mixing the colors, so it's not gonna be on one color. Going to the front, as you can see here, this is the cut, C-cut. This is how I cross my attachments. The attachment I did it cut one, like I just brought one attachment and I cut them, and I'm having two on my hand, so that is cut one, and then I fish it. So this is how it is. At the front place, I made the front place a little bit smaller than the back size, because I want it to be full at the front, so it will be able to cover the back. Though she don't want it small, but come on, we just need a good work. Yeah, I stop it and I tie the knot. That is how I did it all through. So yeah, this is how I did my C-cut, and then I divide the attach I have, when dividing the attach, you make sure that you have the bigger size and the smaller size. Don't make the both size equal. You just have to make the bigger and the smaller one. The smaller one, you join them together, and the bigger one to be separated. That is how you begin your braid, and then you keep on braiding. When you get to the point of where you, it's just a matter of choice though. Anywhere you want the watermelon to start, that is where it's gonna start. Like some of the hair I've made, I made the braid very very tiny. Yeah, you won't even know that I made braid. And then the leftover attachment, you're just gonna see it all over. But this particular person, she wanted her braid to stop where her hair stops, so when losing it, she's gonna know how to cut the hair and lose. So that is just how she wanted it, and that is how I gave it to her. So after cutting the hair, this is how I hold my attachment, and then I place it on the hair. Yeah, using my other hand, I divide the hair into three sections, 1, 2, and 3, and then I put in my left hand first, and then I braid it. That is just how I braid. Some people braid with the right hand, depending on the hand which is more comfortable for you. So this happens to be the last braid. Yeah, and then you place your attachments, the head, divide the hair into 3 parts, then you start braiding. That is how it is. Well, there are different types of braiding. Some people do like plait the hair on the roots, from the roots, and then like plait it as if they are using a rubber thread to plait, and then they'll start braiding. So for them it's strong, depending on how you learn how to braid. Just start it that way. So yeah guys, we have come to the end of the braiding season. Now we are going to step 2. Step 2, this is going to be the twisting part. You have to join the 2 hairs together, twist it very well and strong. You twist the hair. You can bring in 2 together depending on how much you can hold and how much you can twist, because along the line your fingers will start giving you issues or paining you. So depending on the amount of hair you can hold, so you just have to twist it tight, not loose braid, not Senegalese twist. It's a passion twist, as you can see. Hold it tight and then you twist down at the end of the hair, of the leftover attachment. That is just how you're gonna do it. So far so good. This is what we have achieved. We have twisted a lot and we are left with the last one. So I repeated the same tutorial, how to twist, bring in 2 or more amount of hair you can hold, and then you twist it from the beginning, and then you started twisting it all through to down. So we have come to the end of the twisting. Now you get your hot water, get a bowl, make sure the water is boiled. You get a bowl and then you put the hair in the hot water, or you put hot water or pour hot water on the hair, whichever way. Then you make sure the hot water like touch the whole body of the hair, but make sure you do it carefully so as to not hurting the customer or whoever you are making their hair, because the water must be boiled so you can achieve the coils. That is why it is called watermelon. So guys, you just have to, like, after you are done pouring the hot water on the hair, this is how it's looking now. So what next? This is how it is. You see, it's already looking beautiful and straightened. The whole twist is looking straightened. So now you just have to loosen the twist. I'm using this potash gel. I'm using this black gel because to me I feel like this black gel is stronger than the white gel, but you can use whichever gel you want. For me, I prefer the black gel though. So this is the outcome, this is the finished look. This is just how it's looking after the hot water, the twisting, now it's the separation. When you're through with separating it, this is just how it's going to be while it's dry, and this is how your watermelon will be looking like. This is the finished look. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like this free tutorial on how to make a watermelon braid or a watermelon hairstyle. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment below on whatever you think about this hair. If you want more tutorial on hairs, please comment down below. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you for joining me. See you on my next class. Bye bye. Love you.
Welcome to my bedroom hallway. Go down stairs, got permission.